Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to change UMA frame buffer size on this laptop. To do that, power on your laptop by pressing the power button once and then repeatedly click the F2 key to enable the BIOS menu. Once you see the BIOS menu, you can stop clicking the F2 key and then go to configuration using your touchpad. In configuration, select the value next to UMA frame buffer size. Now be aware that by changing this value you may impact system stability. Now choose the value that you need and press F10 to apply changes, and then enter to exit, or to discard changes press escape. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.